Welcome back, guys. Let's solve this question on the board quickly. Okay, it says 5 raised to power x dot 5 raised to power x is equal to 75. And we're going to solve for the value of x. Okay, let's do that quickly. Now the first thing to do here is that we can say if we have a raised to power m dot a raised to power m, for example, all right, because this is in this form. Now this dot here simply means times, so we can say that this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by or times a raised to power m. And recall from the law of indices that when you have this, it is equal to a raised to power m plus m, which is equal to a raised to power 2m. Alright, so you're going to apply this same law here in solving this question. Hence, this becomes 5 raised to power x dot 5 raised to power x becomes 5 raised to power x plus x, which is 2x, is equal to 75. Alright, moving on from here, we can say that 75, okay, we can expect 75 to be equal to 5 times 5 times 3. Alright, so 5 times 5 is 25, 25 times 3 is 75. Now this becomes equal to 5 squared times 3, or you can say 3 times 5 squared, whichever way. Alright, now this becomes 5 raised to power 2x to be equal to 5 raised to power 2 multiplied by 3. Alright, now from here, what can we do? Alright, so continuing from here, we are going to have 5 raised to power 2x to be equal to 5 raised to power 2 times 3. We can decide to take the logarithm in base 5 of both sides. So we say logarithm in base 5 of 5 raised to power 2x to be equal to logarithm in base 5 of 5 raised to power 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, so this is what you have. Now moving on from here, you can say that when you have this power multiplies the log. So we have 2x multiplying logarithm of 5 in base 5 to be equal to, for here, you can see there's multiplication between them. So you split this and put plus. So you're going to have logarithm to base 5 of 5 squared plus logarithm to base 5 of 3. Okay, moving on from here, we're going to have that when you have a logarithm of a number to its own base, okay, so this and this are equal, this strikes out to give us 2x alone to be equal to this. On the other hand, you have 2 multiplying the log as we did initially, so we have 2 multiplying log of a number to its own base again, so this is 1, so this strikes out again to have plus. For here we have logarithm of 3 to base 5. Alright, continuing from here, we can now say that x will become equal to each term here divided by 2. So we're dividing this term by 2 and this term by 2. So we have 2 over 2 plus logarithm of 3 to base 5 divided by 2. Hence our x becomes equal to 1 plus 1 over 2 multiplied by logarithm of 3 to base 5. And this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.